What a night. It is Tuesday the 1st of April 2025 and another of our new lives begins. We slept in the van last night. Lizzie actually said it's the best night's sleep she's had for months. I don't know how I'm looking. I'm probably all over the place. I've literally just got up. Can't wait to go and show you today what we've done. It's very exciting. Very quiet. Nothing here but the birds. And Lizzie, she's over there. We haven't been that busy for a little while. Well, we kind of have, but we haven't. Now we're going to get really busy, so bear with us. I keep walking around, just looking at everything. Trying to gauge what's going on with this place. It looks like people came here and cut down tons of the trees. It's like a big fire pit there, or a big rockery. Yeah, I'm walking around thinking, what am I going to do, man? What are you going to do? I think that big tree there needs cutting back a bit. This one here is going to go that. Look at this down here, look. There's so many birds here. Look at all this rubbish though. We're just back from the shops where we spent about £500 on lights, shopping, cleaning products, you name it, we just bought it. Even got a spare arm there, look. So I just put a few lights out on the fence here. Don't like the barbed wire. Can't stand it. Look at that barbed wire going through there. I guess over the gate at the moment to stop people wanting to come down there and jump over it, but it's so quiet here. It's so quiet. And it is beautiful, it really is beautiful. Yeah, incredible, eh? Birds are not as noisy as they was this morning. And here she is, look. You alright?
Hey, who's in the back of the car?
I know, I've already done that one. Anyway. Logs. 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 Oh man, I do love logs. Well, I haven't yet managed to find out where the actual hot water is, unfortunately. I've got some kind of immersion heater tank here. There's the heater, water coming into it and out the top. So we got this, which was on here. It says water heater, but switch it on and nothing. The light's not working on it. The switch might be broke. So I need to test that and see if there's power. I mean, that's coming down there. It's going under there. I don't know what that is. Looks a bit dodgy though, doesn't it? So we've got a shower pump fitted somewhere.
What was the alarm you said?
Very low. Low light in here, isn't it?
Yeah, just a little bit. It's a bit of a chill out, I guess, but I put a smelly in here.
Right.
I don't think it's smelly enough.
No. Now, shall I turn the water heater off?
Good.
Or shall I leave it on for the night?
Yeah, leave it on for the night, see how it goes, yeah? We blow up, at least we're not in the house.
Still on. There was a little button down the bottom. Oh, yeah, I've got the light on because it's really dark in here.
I'm going to chuck one of these in the all I'm doing is like...
Well, there's the kitchen. We had a problem with the Hoover won't work. God damn Hoover. Oh, is it? Right.
Not long ago you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for...
That's all junk, that's all going. What a mess. Starlink's out here. I'm not sure whether the trees are in the way or not, to be honest. Maybe the trees are in the way a bit. It's still lovely here. Look at the time is. It's nearly 8 o'clock. It's still quite light. It's still quite light out.
Just let it out, I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again, better stand up tall, I know you can be
Well,
brave.
I think for now all we can do is have his... Are you tired, Liz?
Just a little bit, my back's starting to ache now.
Is it? Yeah. Look how light it is.
Look at the sunset over there.
Huh?
I know it did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears.
The sky is lovely over there, isn't
My
it?
arm's in the boot of carving.
No, I
Oh,
took
you
it
took
out.
You just need to lock the door up.
I ain't got a key yet. I still haven't got my own key to the house yet.
Oh,
Lizzie's
they're both on the same key ring, aren't they?
Lizzie don't want to give me a key.
You can take a key whenever you want. I'm flying around that. You know that.
Yeah. Right, okay, it's time to make something to eat and chillax for a while. So
I don't know what you're going to have.
eggs and patties. I'm a growing lad and I've got to have me food. Lizzie, get back to work.
Look at my trousers.
Why you got the disco lights on?
'Cause I thought we'd have a bit of a disco, you know, we ain't done enough today. My hair, look. Oh, I can't wait to have a bath or shower
How
tomorrow.
did you feel yesterday?
Pants.
How did you feel today?
Knickers.
Oh, it was terrible yesterday, but today, yeah. Oh, your feet.
Back in Rafiki.
I'm going to have chili con carne with some rice for lunch.
Dinner.
For dinner, and it's just 8:10. It's getting dark.
Breakfast and lunch at the same time today, didn't you?
Yeah. So.
I'm just going to have some pineapple, I think.
Yeah. Lizzie's got pineapple. Amazing. Anyway, let's have something to eat.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up.
That's it for another day today, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and please like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment. Let us know if you think we're like crazy or what, you know. So right now we have a van, motorbikes, car, a cottage, a little bit of land to go with it, and
Partridge in a pear tree.
he said a partridge in a pear tree. Yeah. Right, so thanks for watching today. Tune in again for the next one. I mean, I don't know whether this is going to be in a day or whether we'll mix it all in, but anyway, stay tuned, because we're gonna be doing this place up as best we can. We're not particularly fantastic at doing DIY, but you know, we've got a little bit of an idea, I suppose, a lot of experience. Say good night, Elizabeth. She's back there somewhere. The time is, what is the time? It's 21:12. Time to turn in. I've had my dinner. Very tired now. Oh, and tomorrow we're going to pick up a washing machine. That should be interesting, shouldn't it, Liz? Anyway. See you later. Like, share, subscribe, leave us a message.
Oh, wait.
Will you shut up when I'm talking, woman?
No.
She always talks when I'm talking to the camera. Right. Like, share, subscribe, leave us a message down below, and don't forget,
hit that notification bell.
the notification bell. Okay, guys. Take care. See you later.
Past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you.